Hello guys, welcome to Code Copy and Chill, and for today's lesson, we will make website using Vue 3 and Tailwind CSS. This is all about setup, so this is so basic, and let's do this. First, we need to go to Vue website and get started, and let's select version 3, and you will be directed in Vue 3 documentation. Let's click installation. Let's find the CLI. Yes, it is this one. Then let's try it. Let's try to make a Vue app using Vue CLI. Vue create, and let's name it Vue sample. Let's choose default Vue 3 preview. The installation has finished, and we need to run npm run serve for us to see our Vue app. Vue sample, and let's run npm run serve. So let's access it in localhost 8081. We're done in installation of Vue 3, so let's visit the TaildwindCSS website for us to see the documentation of how to install TaildwindCSS in Vue CLI. Let's click this link. This will redirect us in the documentation of how to install in Vue CLI. According to this documentation, we need to install npm. We need to install Tailwind using this command. So let's go to terminal, npm TailwindCSS, and add post CSS config file in, I think, this root directory. So let's add this one. Let's add TailwindCSS on source assets. So let's add this, and let's add this configuration. I think there's a space. Yeah. And let's add this on our app.vue. Okay, that's all. So let's try to npm run serve. Okay. For us to test if the TaildwindCSS is working, let's have some modification in UI using TaildwindCSS commands. So let's go to hello world. So let's delete all the items here and all the CSS below, and let's add some h1 tag and welcome to cold coffee and chill. Let's say this and okay, welcome to cold coffee and chill, and let's try to change the text color of the h1 tag using TaildwindCSS. Plus text red 900 font semi-bold, I think. It's working. If you have suggestion for YouTube content, just comment in the comment section and we will try to cover it on our next videos. So thank you for watching.